After plenty of rumours and speculation, Lego has finally officially launched James Bond's infamous Aston Martin DB5 in a packed Leicester Square store. This gadget stuffed car is made up of 1,295 pieces, should keep you going for a little while, and involved a direct collaboration over several months between Lego's expert creator designers and Aston Martin's very own designers to ensure that every detail was lovingly recreated. Right down to those pop-out machine guns, rotating license plates, and even the bloody ejector seat. We were at the launch this morning to check out the Lego Aston Martin DB5 with the lead designers, and here is a full hands-on tour of that famous car.
So this is the DB5. So if we start at the front, we have the iconic grille and the headlights, and of course the Aston Martin DB wings here on the front, right? And then you have the rotating number plates. So you have the 3 different number plates that you see in the film Goldfinger, and then we also included this one. You might know what that refers to, JV007. Then we have, of course, the machine guns, which are behind the fog lights, and you can activate those pulling the gear lever here in the driver compartment. So
you can't quite see the gear lever.
No.
It is.
Yeah, so
it's a delight.
You can come in here and activate the machine guns through that. And then we have the wing mirrors. And then, of course, you can open up the front hood to see the details of the engine. So what I'm really proud of here is that you can't actually see much of the mechanism that's inside the car that is activating those features in the front. It's all quite well hidden underneath the engine. And then, of course, working back, you have the doors that open. The most important feature of any James Bond car is, of course, your phone,
sure,
which we have in the door here.
That's where I keep mine.
Then you have, of course, the driver seat, passenger seat, the steering wheel, and he has a tracking computer in the film, and no one is going to see this, but you'll have to come look at it later. That you can rotate this gear here to reveal his tracking computer inside. Then, of course, there's the number plate in the back. The boot, and then if you rotate this exhaust, you can raise the bulletproof screen.
Perfect.
And then if we talk a little bit more about styling, we have the side strakes here, I think is what we call these. And this is quite an iconic feature. You'll still see this on Aston Martins today.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's a quite iconic feature of this car. And these kind of tire slashers, those ones, this is the one part that I couldn't make a function. So to activate the tire slashers, you have to remove, well, I'll do it later when I'm not so nervous. You remove that part and put this one underneath from the trunk. So
I
it
understand.
has his tire slashers. Yeah.
I do the same with my tire slashers.
But then, I hope I can get it to work. We have the ejector seat, so you can pull on this bumper here, and that will lift up this portion of the roof, and then we'll let it go.
And that's how it's done.
Never put a passenger in there.
Yep, sure, absolutely.
Yeah.
I think
But that's it.
That's worth a minor round of applause, I think.
This expert creator Aston Martin set is available right now for those lucky Lego VIP members, while us general plebs can grab the car from August the 1st. And here in the UK, it costs a rather sprightly 130 quid. Not too bad for a fully functioning Lego set, and loads cheaper than a proper Aston Martin. And did we mention that it has a working ejector seat? Oh yeah.